Okay, good morning, Dr. Advani.
Good morning.
Today our topic is regarding lung cancer. So, what we want to know is lung cancer curable?
Lung cancer is definitely curable if it is diagnosed in stage 1, 2, and 3A. These are the stages where we do the surgery as well as maybe, if required, chemotherapy or radiotherapy.
So, how long does the treatment last for?
Treatment for early stage disease can go on for about 3-6 months, which may include surgery along with the chemotherapy, maybe for 4-5 months, and that can be the end of the treatment for early stage disease. However, when it comes to the advanced stage disease, we have a large number of therapeutics approaches, and we use the different approaches in a particular sequence to get the best of the results, so that ultimately patients get a good quality of life for a long period of time. They can survive for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, and sometimes beyond that. So it all depends upon what type of the stage at which they have come, and how they are really responding to the treatment.
Okay. Are there any special medicines what people should include in their chemotherapy? Any something very new which has just been launched and which is giving great results according to you?
Over in the last 50 years, the things have radically changed in lung cancer management. Previously, we had only few chemotherapeutic agents. In 1980s, 70s, we had very 3-4 drugs of the chemotherapy for lung cancer. But then, with the knowledge of gene and molecular aspect of the tumor, now we have what we call it targeted therapy. And they have radically altered the survival. And then now the thing has come up is the immunotherapy, whereby you manipulate the immune system of the patient so that it can go and kill the tumor cells. So I think the introduction of these modern technology, we have more and more chemotherapy, we have more and more targeted therapy, and we have more and more of immunotherapy. And all these things, in a particular sequence when they are used, they can give a great life to the patient, not only in terms of the length, but also quality of life.
Okay. And we wanted to know are there any side effects of these drugs or patients don't face much?
Now, there are side effects. Uh, like chemotherapy has its own side effects, but they are all of them today have been reduced remarkably, because we have a very good treatment to prevent the side effects. That's the important thing, that when we are giving the chemotherapy, we take care of the fact that patients should not suffer from the side effects. Like previously, people used to vomit. Today, none of our patients will vomit. And therefore, because we have good drugs, previously the blood count used to go down. Today it does not. And similarly, the weakness, previously the patient used to feel very weak. Now they don't feel that much weak. So I think things are changing. Similarly, targeted therapy. Targeted therapy is in the form of the tablets. So it's very easy, and it targets the tumor tissue alone and melts the tumor. So you can find patients going on the targeted therapy for 3 years, 5 years with excellent result. Similarly, the immunotherapy also can give a good result, not in all patients, but at least in about more than 50% of the patients, where tumor can disappear. And in fact, today, although we cannot say emphatically, but there are some patients, at least maybe 2 to 5% of the patients, who can be cured by immunotherapy. But for that we need long-term data.
Okay. And do lung cancer patients can they go to work? Can they exercise? Can they jog? Can they do all that while the treatment is going on?
I think some of the chemotherapy may make the patient little weak, but even then they are able to go at least part-time work. The advantage of targeted therapy is that they are totally normal. They have to just take the pill and they are running around all over the world. They are doing their full-time activities. They feel better within a month of starting the treatment. So I think that has really changed the life of the patients. Also, in immunotherapy, there are almost zero side effects. So therefore, the patient, they have to take only 3 hours of the immunotherapy once in 2 weeks or once in 3 weeks. Otherwise, they are absolutely normal.
Okay.
Patients come, take the immunotherapy, go to office.
Okay. And is this hereditary? Can this be hereditary?
Lung cancers are usually not hereditary.
Okay. So if a father or a mother has lung cancer, then the children will definitely not have lung cancer just because they have lung cancer. Okay. Okay. And what I wanted to know one more thing was that the treatment, is it painful or is it very comfortable for patients to take the treatment and go back home?
I think all the chemotherapies for lung cancer, they are given in the daycare. Majority of them, so 90%. And in terms of the side effects, uh, there are really very few side effects. As I said already, there is no nasha, no vomiting. Person is eating, walking, moving. He can go home, walk and move, eat. So I don't see a reason why the patient should be in the hospital.
Okay. And can a lung cancer patient be sexually active?
Yes, normal life.
Normal life. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for your time, Dr. Dwane. Thank you.